You can expect a lot from the 2018 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated steering wheel, a bedliner, and a split folding rear seat. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.